Fáilte go soundtrack an podcast is mi Sheosaimh agus is cóbhainteoir agus únamh nó soundtrack an podcast mé. Chosaigh mé an gnáis seo I gcóir limo bhain chéile Elena Santos sé bliana ó shin. Is as an idol ruchas mé agus is ceantar dó hangach é. Mar sin tuigim na déisina a bhaineann leis an dá hangachas, dó gnólachtaí agus don chuldúr. So, go háirithe dó soundtrack an podcast ina bhfuil deanga agus scéalta críolar ar gná. Dhearmid bot chéaltaí, clós leabhar, Grammy radio agus níos mó. Is ceoltar agus comodar mé, mar sin is féidir linn gachrót a chrachu an seo sa studio. With all our creative and multilingual resources, we have really stepped up our game this year, and we're absolutely pleased to announce that Soundtrack and Podcast has been successful in our bid to produce our first 100% Irish language radio drama for children for RTE and Radio na Gaeltachta, supported and funded by Commission Amman. We work with a full Irish language cast and production team, offering a unique opportunity to a young cast to develop acting skills in a native Irish language and inspire other children to embrace and learn an Gaeilge through compelling stories. So, mar a dearmid, tar géan scéal eile.